welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Many parts of South Goa submerged in water. 80 families asked to vacate their houses. NH17 underwater. Floods possible in low-lying areas. MOPA not necessity, full capacity Daboli priority, says CLP. Congress readies to welcome Digvijay Singh on Wednesday. Chaotic situation within NCP. Sharad Pawar to monitor Goa NCP unit. Prafull Hede holds meeting in absence of Goa NCP president. Tarikal residents oppose government proposed course, ask for church's intervention, demand land in return. Tarikal people threaten agitation. And Sargaonkar Football Club begin training for 2013-2014 season. New coach Derek Pereira tells players to focus on diet. Now the news in detail. Many parts of South Goa were submerged in rainwater on Tuesday. Padya, Savarkota, Kunkoli witnessed floods. 80 families were asked to vacate their houses. NH17 was blocked for almost 2 to 3 hours, whereas other parts of the state also witnessed heavy rain showers. Many incidents of uprooting of trees were reported throughout the state. 4 inches of rainfall was recorded in the last 24 hours. Meteorological department foresees possibility of floods in low-lying area in the state.
Many people were evacuated at Savarkota in Kunkuri on Tuesday. 25 people were shifted to rescue center, whereas people from more than 80 houses were asked to vacate the premises. Water had entered many houses due to heavy rainfall. NH17 and other roads heading towards Bari Kepe were blocked for almost 2 to 3 hours. Locals claim that temporary bridge in the area obstructed the flow of water. Locals claim they have suffered huge loss.
हे पहिले पाटी आमको तो पुला लागन
कितला सुमार हे जाले
आता एका सुमार अरे गोरां गाडो बिटा जालो उदकां बुडोन गेला न्यू पूल बांदपा तेम डिसिजन घेयले तेम ताका लागून सायडीन दुसरो पूल बांदलो ताका लागून हे सगळें उदक हे गांवा भितर सरलें आनी आमगे घरा आतां 50 वर्स जालीं घरा केन्नाय उदक भितर सरनालें ते आतां ह्या फावटी सगळें उदक भितर सरोन सगळी दुर्गा बिर्गा मोडली लोकांची
मुगे आनी ते पास थिंग तेम ब्रिज काडूय सगळें उदक हें जालां आनी आतां मुगे दुरीग मोडला आमगे घरान उदक फर्स्ट टायम वी आर एक्सपिरियन्सिंग दिस.
The teams of Kunkari municipality and disaster management reached the site and got the situation under control.
Our priority is to save the life of the people. So first we have taken the people who are in the houses, the water is entered. Those people we have evacuated. They kept in safe places.
रस्तो बायपास रस्तो घालता उडोवचो पडटलो कुळबळ सगळे बुडला हांगा बुडले जालें हे एडिशनल सगळे कुळबळ सगळ्या बुडिल्ले आसा.
The director of Met Department KV Singh says that there are possibilities of floods in low-lying areas in the state. He has asked the citizens to be alert.
During next 24 to 48 hours में काफ़ी heavy to very heavy rainfall की संभावना है जो कि लगभग पूरे स्टेट में ही रहेगी. काफ़ी जगह हैवी रेन की संभावना हो रही है. हो सकता है साउथ में हैवी रेन ज़्यादा हो लेकिन कुछ पार्ट्स में साउथ में ज़्यादा है क्योंकि इसमें आपका सांगे कैपे इस साइड में थोड़ा रेन काफ़ी हैवी है लेकिन जो कुछ लो लाइंग एरियाज़ हैं उसमें इसकी थोड़ा संभावना ज़्यादा रहती है कुछ डैमेज होने के या कुछ उनको फ्लड आने के. इसलिए जो है वो जो लो लाइंग एरियाज़ में है वो थोड़ा सा सावधानी से उनको थोड़ा रहना पड़ेगा.
In last 24 hours, around 4-inch rainfall was recorded in state, whereas seasonal rainfall reached up to 32.20 inches. Highest rainfall was recorded in Valpoy and Sangay, 78.1 and 75.6 mm respectively. A tree collapsed on a house at Madgaon, thus damaging a roof of a house. Nuns were residing in this house. Fortunately, no human injuries were reported.
ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾವಿತಾಲೆ ತೋ आवाज एक म्हूण हांव एस आयलें हांव येता मगे आयलें पडलें थंय हिंगा
कितें पडलें
नळ रे नळे व्हडा झाड ते आख्खे पडले
आमकां 9:45 कॉल येयले कॉलीन फुडें आमी 5 मिनटां बारी हांगा पावले पावले जाल्यार वयर नळ्या पडला आसलो कटर दिला पळय हें सगळें सगळें.
Similar incidents occurred at Salvador de Mun and at Porvory. 2 trees came down heavily with gusty winds and incessant rains. This damaged properties of residents in the area.
आणि लॉस चड ना 5,000 लॉस आणि खंय कितें आणि परवरी एक झाड पडले ते कंपाऊंड वॉलाचेर पडले ते चड कितें लॉस ना.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Desk in Charge Digvijay Singh will visit Goa on Wednesday. Issue of new GPCC president will likely come up during his meet with the party leaders. On the other side, couple of upset MLAs from the ruling coalition may also meet Digvijay Singh. Word is out that Digvijay Singh will set rules for party leaders. Congress leaders are hopeful of some changes within the party. CLP meet was held in Panji on Tuesday.
Digvijay Singh will be in Goa by Wednesday noon. Meeting with the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee is first on his agenda. This is his maiden visit to Goa after taking charge as Goa Desk in Charge. He will also address the Congress workers. He will meet each and every member of the GPCC in Congress office. A brief schedule of 5 minutes has been set for every office bearer. Congress leaders will meet Digvijay at International Center. Some upset MLAs from the ruling coalition may also meet Congress Goa Desk in Charge. However, the meet on Wednesday might not formally discuss the new party president as the issue is not on agenda, but Congress party leaders will raise the issue in their individual meet. On the eve of Digvijay Singh's arrival in Goa, a CLP meet was held in Panji.
We have discussed some issues like what schemes जेपडी स्कीम आहे हे कितकोण डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतात ते मिनिस्टरा फोन मारल्यार परोलेकरा फोन मारल्यार परोलेकर सांगता आपण प्रेशर दिला आणि सतीश धोंडान वयले म्हणून हे कितें चल्लां काय हे पार्टीचे अदर इश्यूज वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड फॉर एग्जांपल स्कूल टायमिंग्स वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड देन वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड अदर इश्यूज नो मोपा वी जस्ट हॅव अ फ्रँक डिस्कशन इश्यूज ऑन थेफ्ट्स इश्यूज अबाउट what the government wrong doings of the government. We will explain to the High Command.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The infighting within the Goa NCP has reached such a level that Sharad Pawar himself has decided to monitor the Goa unit, keeping even Praful Patel aside. The recent letter sent by Dr. Praful Hede to NCP State President Neelkant Hankar has sparked a new row as Hede had a meeting of party leaders in the absence of NCP State President and Desk in Charge. Prudent is in possession of the letter.
This is the letter sent by Dr. Prafulla Hede to NCP State President Neelkant Hankar on 27th June. Although the letter tries to portray total harmony and warmth within the party, the contents say otherwise. The letter deals with the following. If leaders have any issues with the president, they can talk to me. Sirsat feels that he is not given proper protocol as National General Secretary. President may be assisted by a number 2 person like in Maharashtra. Jose Philip can be the number 2 person like working president. Let's forget the past and work for the party. Total 9 persons attended the meeting on 26th June. Surprisingly, Neelkant Hankar and Deepak Kesarkar both were absent for the meeting. The letter also says that party leaders wanted to meet Hede from many weeks. But when we asked NCP spokesperson about the meeting, he came down heavily on Praful Hede. The meeting was called without the knowledge of the state president. So, the meeting is unconstitutional and no one should act like superpower within the party. Interestingly, the party doesn't have a single MLA in the assembly, and as per the sources, this infighting has been orchestrated to grab some important positions in the state executive. For now, Sharad Pawar has decided to directly look after Goa, considering the political circus happening within his state unit. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.